Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to your new account on the Free Fire game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Free Fire game on your device, and once it is fully loaded up, you will see various options of signing up or logging in. If you already have an account, you can proceed with signing in with your Facebook or other options by tapping on More. Even if you don't have an account, you can still tap on the sign in button and this will take you into the sign up page. Now, based on which sign up method you choose, you might be asked to select your Google account or your social media accounts. After you tap on your account, you will go through the intro of the game. You can simply skip through the intro, and now once you complete the intro and the tutorial and play your first game, your account will be signed up and created. You can tap on the gear icon within your game and exit to the lobby if you wish to skip the intro, and you can directly proceed with creating your account. And there you have it. That is how you can sign up and create a new account on the Free Fire game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.